Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited, and you should be too, because my friend Lavenia from Radah Baked Goods is here to help us make what?
So we're making a spooky fudge today.
Oh, okay. Lavenia, tell everybody how you made this.
All right, so you want to get some white chocolate. You're going to have your frosting of your choice, and then we have the butter. So you want to melt the chocolate, add a little bit of the butter, then you put your frosting in there, whip that together.
Mix it well.
Yes. Line your sheet pan, and then you put it in there. Then you decorate it, put your candy eyes, your sprinkles, whatever toppings you like.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put that in the fridge for 30 seconds wrapped.
Oh, put it in the fridge for how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Now, I love this because you can have fun with the kids with this.
Yes.
I can see my kids saying, I want to put the eyes on, I want to put the eyes on. We can have some fun with this, right?
Absolutely.
And it's super tasty because I'm going to try some. And while I'm trying this, Lavenia, tell everybody what made you pick this.
All right, so we wanted something that was family oriented, something that you can do with your friends, something simple, quick, easy.
Oh, this is really good. This is really, really good. And give us some background on Radah.
All right, so Radah is a Hebrew term. It means to have dominion, rule, and power. We chose that term because we like to give back to our community.
Yeah, you do.
And that's what it meant for us.
And you own this with your husband.
Yes, we've been in business altogether 5 years.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Brick and mortar for 2 years. It's on Amherst Street.
What are some of your favorite things that y'all make?
Oh, we have a sweet potato brownie.
Oh, it is so good. It is so good. What else?
And then we have some new fall favorite cookies. There's a apple crisp brownie. We have the chocolate chip cookies, of course, our staple.
You just have to stop by.
Yes.
You just have to stop by, and you need this recipe and do it with your kids. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. I promise you the kids will love it.